Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Dell and interrupting normal boot to force advanced boot options. Press F8 right after the BIOS logo. Once done, choose Repair Your Computer to open Recovery Tools. Make sure you have a Windows 7 DVD or a system repair disk and a USB keyboard if needed. If the drive is encrypted, enter credentials now. This step loads the recovery environment, so you can run automated repairs and access command tools without overriding user files. Once the recovery environment is open, run Startup Repair. It resolves bootloader and system file issues automatically. If the problem persists, open Command Prompt and run chkdsk/f to repair disk errors, then use bootrec with /fixember, /fixboot, and /rebuild to restore the boot configuration. Make sure to run sfc/scanno to repair protected system files. If prompted, point sfc to your Windows folder. These manual steps target corrupted disks, missing boot records, and damaged system files. After repairs complete, reboot the laptop normally and remove any DVDs or USB sticks so the machine boots from the internal drive. If Windows still shows error recovery, use System Restore to revert to a known good point or recover from a system image backup. Make sure to update drivers and run Windows Update once booted. If failures continue, test RAM with Memtest86 and check the hard drive smart status. Faulty memory or drive hardware often mimics boot corruption and needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.